Imagine a world where your every desire unfolds effortlessly, not because of the words you speak, but because of the energy you emit. What if the secret to manifesting your dreams lies not in what you say, but in the vibration you embody? This is the power of aligning your imagination with the frequencies of fulfillment. Words can inspire, but vibration creates. It is the invisible force shaping the visible world, a language the universe understands without needing explanation. Think about it. How often do we say one thing but feel another? The disconnect keeps us stuck. But when you shift from mere words to powerful vibrational alignment, your imagination becomes a divine tool for creation. This is not fantasy, it's the science of energy and the wisdom of scripture coming together. Vibration, fueled by your emotions and beliefs, is the essence of creation. It doesn't just attract what you want, it transforms you into the person who naturally lives that reality. So, let's move beyond surface-level affirmations. Let's dive deep into the realm where feeling becomes reality, where imagination fueled by vibration makes the impossible possible. Ready to unlock the power of your imagination and watch your world transform? Let's begin. In the beginning was the Word. This profound declaration from John 1 reveals a timeless truth about the origin and nature of creation. The Word is not merely spoken language, but a vibrational essence, the foundation upon which all existence is built. It signifies the creative power that brought the universe into being, a force that transcends words to encompass energy, intention, and consciousness. The Word represents vibration, an invisible yet tangible force that resonates through all things. Just as a tuning fork sets surrounding objects into motion, the Word as vibration activates creation. Every thought, every emotion, every imaginative act carries a vibrational frequency, shaping reality in its likeness. The Word becomes synonymous with this dynamic creative energy, illustrating that creation is not about effort, but alignment with a higher vibrational truth. Understanding the Word as vibration shifts our perspective from a literal interpretation to one rooted in spiritual and practical insight. It reminds us that our thoughts, feelings, and spoken intentions are not isolated occurrences, but creative acts that resonate through the fabric of our reality. This recognition calls us to wield the Word with awareness, knowing that its power to create lies in its alignment with the fulfillment of our desires. When we embrace the Word as the creative force, we tap into the divine process of manifestation. We move from passive existence to conscious co-creation, realizing that every vibration we emit shapes the world we experience. The Word, therefore, is both the beginning and the eternal force of all creation. Vibration is the unseen force that underpins all creation, shaping existence at its most fundamental level. When we read in Scripture, "In the beginning was the Word," we are invited to look beyond language and into the deeper essence of vibration, energy in motion. The Word is not merely speech, but the vibrational frequency that animates and structures reality itself. At the heart of all matter lies vibration. Everything in the universe, from the smallest particle to the grandest galaxy, vibrates at a specific frequency. This universal resonance is the signature of divine creativity. The act of creation is not confined to physical actions or spoken words. It emerges from alignment with the frequency of fulfillment, the vibration of a completed desire. Divine vibration bridges the spiritual and physical realms. Just as a musician tunes an instrument to produce harmony, aligning ourselves with higher vibrations connects us to the creative energy that forms and sustains the universe. This energy flows through our thoughts, emotions, and intentions, making us active participants in creation. To embrace vibration as the foundation of existence is to recognize that our reality is shaped not by words or actions alone, but by the energy we emit. When our internal vibration aligns with our desires, the world must reflect this alignment. This principle invites us to consciously cultivate feelings, thoughts, and states of being that resonate with the life we wish to create. Vibration is not just the foundation of existence, it is the language of creation itself. Imagination is the divine tool through which creation takes form, the bridge between thought and reality. It is through imagination that the Word, the creative vibration described in Scripture, manifests into tangible existence. Far more than idle daydreaming, imagination is the birthplace of all possibilities, the sacred space where desires are visualized, energized, and aligned with the vibrational frequency of fulfillment. The Word, as vibration, works in tandem with imagination. Every image, thought, or feeling we hold in our mind carries a unique frequency, like a note in a symphony. When imagination is directed toward a desire and infused with belief, it aligns with the vibration of that fulfilled state. This alignment activates the creative process, compelling the invisible to become visible and the potential to become realized. Imagination allows us to see beyond the limitations of the present and step into the reality of our desires, as though they are already fulfilled. This is not mere fantasy, it is a deliberate and sacred act of creation. When we imagine vividly and with feeling, we generate the vibrational blueprint for our desires, and the universe begins to shape itself to match that frequency. To harness imagination as a divine tool, we must use it intentionally, focusing on the desired outcome with conviction and joy. Aligning imagination with the vibration of fulfillment transforms it into a force of creation, bridging the gap between what is and what can be. In this way, imagination becomes the active expression of divine power within us. The Word was God is a profound statement revealing the divine essence of vibration. It points to the truth that the creative force behind all existence is not separate from God but is God in action. This word vibration, energy and frequency is the divine mechanism through which the universe is formed and sustained. It is the creative essence that flows through all things, connecting the spiritual and material realms in perfect unity. When we recognize the Word as vibration, we begin to see that creation is not a distant or external event, but an ongoing divine process. This vibration is present in every thought, every feeling, and every act of imagination. It is the invisible force shaping the visible world, the spiritual power made manifest in form. Human consciousness plays a vital role in this divine process. As beings created in the image of God, we are endowed with the ability to co-create. Through our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, we emit vibrations that interact with the universal creative force. This partnership with the divine empowers us to shape our reality, aligning our inner world with the infinite possibilities of creation. To embrace the unity of the Word with God is to understand that our consciousness is not separate from the divine. When we align our thoughts and feelings with the vibration of our desires, we tap into this sacred unity, becoming co-creators with God. This is the essence of the creative power that resides within each of us, waiting to be expressed. Feeling is the true essence of the Word, the vibrational force that transcends spoken language. Words, when spoken without emotional energy, are empty sounds. It is the feeling behind them, their vibrational charge, that gives them creative power. When Scripture declares, "In the beginning was the Word," it invites us to go beyond mere speech and recognize the emotional energy that the Word carries as the force of creation. Feelings are the bridge between thought and reality. They are the vibrational signature of our desires, signaling to the universe what we are aligned with. Each emotion we experience carries a frequency, and this frequency shapes our reality. When we feel love, joy, or gratitude, we align ourselves with high-frequency vibrations that attract corresponding experiences. Conversely, feelings of fear or lack generate lower vibrations that perpetuate unwanted circumstances. To manifest desires, it is not enough to speak affirmations or think positively. The power lies in feeling the reality of those desires as though they are already fulfilled. This is the essence of vibrational alignment, immersing yourself in the emotional state of your fulfilled desire. When you feel the joy, peace, or excitement of having what you seek, you emit a frequency that resonates with it, drawing it into your experience. Understanding feeling as the essence of the Word transforms how we create. By consciously cultivating emotions that match our desires, we align our vibration with their fulfillment, allowing the unseen to become seen. Feeling is not only the essence of the Word, it is the key to unlocking the creative power within us. Every spoken word, thought, or imagined desire is a seed of vibrational creation, carrying within it the potential to shape reality. Just as a seed contains the blueprint for a fully grown tree, the Word, whether expressed through speech, thought, or imagination, holds the vibrational pattern of its fulfillment. This is the divine process of creation in action, where the invisible becomes visible through alignment and nurturing. When you speak or imagine your desires with conviction, you are planting these vibrational seeds into the fertile soil of consciousness. However, planting the seed is only the beginning. The realization of your desires depends on your ability to nurture the seed through consistent focus, belief, and emotional alignment. Nurturing the vibrational seed requires unwavering faith in its growth, even when no immediate evidence is visible. Just as a farmer tends to a planted seed with patience and care, we must tend to our desires by holding steady to the feeling of their fulfillment. Doubt, fear, and negative focus are like weeds that choke the seed's potential. To see the seed blossom, we must align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with the vibrational frequency of the desired outcome. The Word as the vibrational seed teaches us that creation is not a random act, but a deliberate and intentional process. With focus and belief, we can transform our desires from fleeting ideas into tangible realities, co-creating our world in harmony with the divine laws of vibration. John 1:1 states, "In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God." This profound statement reveals the foundational role of the Word in creation, not as mere speech but as the vibrational essence through which all things are made. The Word embodies divine energy, resonating with the power to bring the unseen into the seen, the intangible into tangible form. Throughout Scripture, the power of the Word as vibration and creation is vividly illustrated. In Genesis, God speaks, "Let there be light," and light manifests. These words are not simply commands. They are divine vibrations aligning with the energy of creation itself. The spoken word carries the authority and vibrational frequency necessary to bring forth reality. Consider the story of Ezekiel in the Valley of Dry Bones. When God instructs Ezekiel to prophesy to the bones, it is not the words themselves, but the vibration of life, energy, and intention behind them that brings the bones together and breathes life into them. Similarly, Jesus demonstrates the creative power of the word through miracles. His spoken declarations, "Lazarus, come forth," or "be healed," are infused with faith and divine vibration, aligning the physical reality with the spiritual truth of wholeness. The Bible consistently portrays the word as the mechanism of creation, rooted in vibration and divine energy. To understand and harness the word's power is to align our thoughts, feelings, and intentions with the creative energy of God, shaping reality as co-creators in divine harmony. Faith and vibration are two interconnected forces that drive the process of creation. Faith is the unwavering belief in what is unseen, while vibration is the energetic frequency that aligns with that belief. Together, they form the foundation for manifesting desires, acting as the substance and activation of the word. Faith, as described in Scripture, is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. This powerful statement reveals that faith is not passive. It is an active recognition of reality beyond physical appearances. Faith resonates with the vibrational frequency of a fulfilled desire, affirming its existence even before it becomes visible. In this way, faith creates alignment with unseen realities and draws them into physical expression. Vibration is the language through which faith communicates with the universe. Every thought, feeling, and belief emits a unique frequency, signaling to the creative force of existence. When faith is strong, the vibration it generates is unwavering and aligned, activating the word and compelling reality to conform to its resonance. The interplay of faith and vibration requires focus and emotional alignment. It calls for maintaining the feeling of your desire as already fulfilled, even in the face of contradictory circumstances. Faith is the anchor that holds you in this vibrational state, ensuring that your energy remains consistent with the outcome you seek. By linking faith with vibration, you unlock the power of the word to shape your reality. This harmonious relationship between belief and energy is the divine formula for creation. To truly understand the creative power of the word, we must move beyond its literal interpretation as mere speech. In John 1:1, "In the beginning was the Word." The word signifies something far deeper, a vibrational essence, an energetic force that shapes and sustains all of creation. This shift from literalism to vibrational truth opens the door to profound spiritual and practical insights. Words themselves hold no power unless they are charged with energy and emotion. It is the internal vibration, the feeling and belief behind the words that determines their creative potency. For example, saying "I am abundant" without genuine belief and emotional alignment will produce no tangible results. The words may be spoken, but the vibrational truth remains misaligned. True creation begins with aligning your inner energy with the reality you seek. Vibrational truth emphasizes that the power of the word lies in its resonance. Every thought and feeling generates a frequency, and this frequency communicates directly with the creative forces of the universe. The word, therefore, is not confined to spoken language, but is expressed through the energy you embody. By shifting from a literal understanding to a vibrational one, you reclaim your role as a co-creator of reality. This perspective teaches that your internal state, your emotions, thoughts, and beliefs are the true words shaping your world. Embracing vibrational truth transforms creation from a passive hope into an active, deliberate process of aligning with the divine energy within you. The word, understood as vibration, offers profound insights into how we can actively shape our reality. Scripture, when viewed through the lens of vibrational truth, becomes a guidebook for harnessing the creative energy of thoughts, emotions, and imagination. Translating these spiritual principles into actionable practices allows us to align our inner state with the outcomes we desire. The first step is to recognize that every thought and feeling carries a vibrational frequency. To create intentionally, we must choose thoughts and emotions that resonate with the reality we wish to experience. For example, instead of focusing on lack, practice gratitude for the abundance you desire. Gratitude elevates your vibration, aligning it with fulfillment and attracting corresponding circumstances. Imagination is another vital tool. Visualize your desired outcome as though it has already occurred. Engage all your senses, see it, feel it, hear it. For example, if you desire a new home, imagine walking through its rooms, feeling the textures, and basking in the joy of living there. This vivid emotional engagement generates a vibrational match with your desire. Faith is essential in sustaining high vibrations. Persist in the feeling of fulfillment, even when external evidence contradicts it. Trust that the vibrational energy you emit is working to reshape your reality. Finally, mindfulness anchors these practices. Monitor your inner dialogue and emotions throughout the day. Whenever you notice misalignment, consciously shift back to thoughts and feelings that reflect your desired state. By combining Scripture's wisdom with these practical vibrational techniques, you transform spiritual insights into real-world results, living as a conscious co-creator of your experience. Now that you understand the power of vibration and its connection to your imagination, the choice is yours. Will you continue relying on empty words, or will you embrace the vibrational energy that shapes worlds? The secret to manifesting your desires is already within you. Your imagination, fueled by the right frequency, is the ultimate creative force. Remember, the universe doesn't respond to the words you say, but to the energy you embody. When you feel the fulfillment of your desires as though they're already yours, you align yourself with the reality you seek. Imagination, charged with vibration, becomes the bridge between your dreams and your destiny. So, take this knowledge and apply it. Begin to imagine boldly, feel deeply, and vibrate consistently with the life you desire. Speak less, align more, and watch as the world reshapes itself to reflect the powerful energy you emit. Your imagination, powered by vibration, is your greatest gift. Use it wisely, with intention and with unwavering faith. The reality you dream of isn't far away, it's simply waiting for you to tune into its frequency. The time to create is now. Step forward, vibrate high, and let your imagination bring your desires to life. The world is ready for your brilliance. Go make it happen.